This is Karl of Amazing Wizard Studios. We're going to be unboxing the Amazon Basic 60-inch lightweight tripod. It comes with a tripod bag. Let's get to the unboxing. Okay, we got the box open. This is the tripod bag. Let's unzip that and we get what's inside of the tripod itself. Wow. Well, this is the handle that you use to adjust the angle. Or if this is where you mount your camera or your mobile device. I don't know what this is. I believe I'm not sure this can be turned. Also, this handle can be used to turn the camera. These are the 3 legs. You can extend each leg. And you can extend the 3 legs. Maybe you have to pull out these clips to do that. Yep. I'll show you how to do it. Oh yeah, that's how you do. Do it. Yep. By the way, yeah, this is a cool tripod, isn't it? I bet. Okay, that's about it. In future videos, I'll be doing some tests on this 60-inch tripod. This is the unboxing of the Amazon Basic 60-inch lightweight tripod with tripod bag. This is Karl of Amazing Wizard Studios signing out. Peace.